Hello! So I have a new cutting board. Brand new, haven't washed it, have only taken it out of the package. So we're gonna give it a wash. And to wash it, of course, I'm gonna use my Norwex dish soap. Dish soap? Yeah. Why? Because it is free of everything that we don't want in the wood. And it's just how I'm doing it. You don't have to do it this way. This is just how I'm doing it. So with the cutting board, I'm going to wash it that way. And I have the Panera, but however you say that, this stuff. So it's just a cutting board mineral oil. I'm gonna do that with this board. And my wooden spoons and utensils you're gonna see in a different video because I'm gonna use something else on those. But it's not gonna be here today, it's gonna be here tomorrow. Okay, so let's wash this. If I would have been thinking, I would have done this yesterday, but I did not because the board needs to be washed and fully dried. Fully dry. Okay, so let's give it a clean. Okay. Now this is going to take several hours to dry to where I need it, but I'm just going to get some of the liquid. Oop. Let's put you over there. We're going to get some of the liquid water off of here. And we're just going to put it in the strainer and let it finish drying. Yes, this is going to take several hours, hence why I wish I would have done it last night when I was doing dishes. But I forgot. That's okay. Okay, so for you, it'll be a split second. I'll be back when this is dry. All right, we are multiple hours later. It is fully dry. So now what we're gonna do, we are going to oil the board. Gonna get some on there. I'm going to use a paper towel, use a cloth if you wish. Now what you want to do is just go over it until the board no longer absorbs it. Make sure you get every single nook and cranny. Make sure you go with the grain on the board as well. It just makes it a little bit easier. All right. Okay. Now I think I am there on the front. So now I'm just going to rub the sides. It really doesn't take lots for this to start happening. I wish I could have you back a little bit further. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna get another piece of paper towel. Wipe off some of this extra. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Okay. We'll flip it over. Like, so you can tell the difference. Okay, so here's the front that's been oiled. Here's the front. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, there's the back. We're gonna oil that now. And it's because we want the back to be just as pretty as the front. Okay, can you see the difference? It makes a very big difference. Right, and just like that, we are done. So it doesn't take very long to do. It's just the waiting for the board to dry that took forever. All right. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Here's the board now. Beautifully oiled on all 4 sides, because I was doing the sides as I was doing the front, as you've seen. Now I'm just gonna let this sit and finish kind of absorbing, although there's nothing left for it to absorb. It absorbed it very quickly and took off the excess as we were going. Okay, simple, easy, done. This bottle is gonna last me forever, which is actually not a bad thing, because I also have these, which I've never have oiled these. So these are another video, because we're using a different product on these. So if you guys liked the video, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll be back with another video very soon. Bye. I just realized I forgot to add this part to the video. I know I'm gonna get asked, how often should I oil my boards? The answer to that varies. It all depends on how much you use and wash the boards and what type of soap you use. There's lots of variants. So my best answer for everybody is, once you notice your board is starting to look dry again, oil it. That is like the best, easiest answer you're ever going to hear. When you see your wood is starting to get a little dry again, oil it. All right, now that is the end of the video. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.